Dear children, we are going to start with a new topic. But before that, let us recall what we have studied, number line. In number line, you know very well, we start with the origin and towards the right of our side, we take it as positive numbers, and on the left hand side, we take negative numbers. All the numbers on the right hand side are said to be greater number, and all the numbers on the left hand side are said to be smaller number. Now related to the figure shown here, point Q, P, O and R are shown. These are the points. -5, -1, 0 and 4 are the respective coordinates of the points. For example, coordinate of R is 4 and that of P is -1. So coordinate of R is on the right hand side, so it is greater coordinate, and P is on the left hand side, it is smaller coordinate. If I want to find out the distance, I will take distance PR equals to greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate, that is 4 minus in bracket -1 equals to 4 plus 1 equals to 5. So distance PR equals to 5. If I want to find out the distance QR, coordinate of point Q is -5, it is on the left hand side, it is smaller coordinate, and that of point R is greater coordinate and it is 4. So distance QR will be 4 minus -5 equals to 4 plus 5 equals to 9. The distance QR equals to 9. Now this was on the number line, how to find out the distance. In coordinate geometry, we are going to study to find the distance between the 2 points on the graph. Here on the screen you can see one figure where point A and B are on the x-axis. The coordinate of point A is given as x1, 0 and B is given x2, 0. The y coordinate is 0 because the point is lying on the x-axis. So if I want to find out the distance between A and B, if the points are on x-axis, then we take x2 minus x1, where x2 is the greater coordinate and x1 is the smaller coordinate. Next, in this figure, if I see the points on y-axis, P and Q. On y-axis, coordinate of P is 0, y1 and Q is 0, y2. All the points on y-axis, its x-coordinate will be 0. To find out the distance between PQ, we will take y2 minus y1, because here y2 is a greater coordinate, is the smaller coordinate, y1. Thus we can find out the distance between the 2 points on, if the 2 points are lying on x-axis or y-axis. But if they are lying parallel to x-axis or y-axis, how to find out? Let us see first x-axis. Here in the figure, AB is parallel to x-axis. Now if I draw the coordinates perpendicular, here L and M are shown as in the diagram. So the coordinate of L is x1, 0 and M is x2, 0. So distance LM will be what? x2 minus x1. But if you see the distance points A and B, it will be the coordinate of A will be x1, y1, coordinate of B will be x2, y2. So the distance between AB will be x2 minus x1, because y1 coordinate is constant for both the points. Similarly, if the points in this figure are parallel to y-axis, P and Q are parallel to y-axis, so the coordinate of Q will be x1, y1. Coordinate of P will be x1, y2. P and Q are parallel to y-axis. X1 will be common. So the distance between PQ will be y2 minus y1. So here you might have understood that if the points or a segment is parallel to x-axis, then the distance of line AB will be x2 minus x1, and for segment PQ, if it is parallel to y-axis, then it will be y2 minus y1. Not parallel. If the segment is slanting there. For example, here on the screen you can see the picture. If AB is a slant line, then if you draw AD as shown diagram and BD as shown in diagram, the coordinates of A are x1, y1, coordinates of point D are x2, y1, and coordinates of B are x2, y2. Here you will see AD is parallel to x-axis, BD is parallel to y-axis. So we know how to find out the distance between the two. We can find out. Here we will apply in triangle ADB, where angle D equals to 90 degree, by Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? You know very well. AB square equals to AD square plus BD square. Therefore, AB square equals to distance of AD square, that is x2 minus x1 whole square, and distance BD square equals to y2 minus y1 whole square, taking square root on both the sides. Therefore, AB equals to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is nothing but the distance formula for segment AB as shown in figure. To find out the distance between the 2 points if the coordinates of the points are given. Now on page number 102, you can see one activity given there related to the same, where AC is the hypotenuse. So AC square equals to AB square plus BC square, that we have to find out. For your ready reference, the activity is displayed on the screen. You can refer the same. In next video, we are going to study practice set 5.1. Till then, take care. Have a nice time. Thank you.